Yep, it's me, Jenny B, and today I am showing you a little polygel from Saviland. I got this little kit that has glow-in-the-dark polygel. Yes, that's right. So I used two of the three colors today on my nails. The kit is great. It comes with the lovely little brush. So it has the polygel brush, which is the typical spatula on one side and brush on the other. So yep, it works very well. I'm very pleased with this kit. It was a very simple kit. I already had the light and stuff, so I wanted a kit that didn't have all that. It had the dual forms, which two packages of them, which is pretty good. A nice little Saviland card. I got this off of Amazon. It's just a little introduction to Saviland. A nice file. I like that shaped file. Works great. Two different grits. Very nice. And it comes with sips. Don't sip it. No, don't do that. It's gross. Slip solution. So if you don't have that, you can use rubbing alcohol. So when I run out of that, I will be using rubbing alcohol for it. So it's a great little kit. So there is blue polygel, green polygel, and what's the other one? Like a blue green and a green, whatever. You see the colors. They're pretty. That one turns like a yellow. It's pretty. So I am prepping my nails with the e-file. So I am just going through with a cuticle bit. It's a little bit, it's round at the end. So it's very good on the nails. It looks like I'm speeding through it is because it's on 4 times the speed. Otherwise, this video would have been like an hour long. We don't want that. No. So I'm just going through and having my drill on my e-file on a medium speed and going through and cleaning up those cuticles. That round bit helps a lot because it's a lot gentler on my skin, which I need to be using this more than the cuticle nippers because I get myself every time I use those stupid nippers. So I need to not use the nippers on my cuticles because it hurts every time. So, yep, I am cleaning it up properly with my little bit. Very nice. Liking it. I have my nice fan collecting all the dust. I love this fan. I'll put a link to my review video down below as usual. All the goods, all the information is down below. So I'm just prepping my nails by buffing them, just getting the shine off, making sure everything is well prepped and well dusted. And there we go. So now I am putting my Karlash nail dehydrator on each nail. Boy, if I can only do it this fast, that'd be fantastic, wouldn't it? Oh, just get through my nails in no time. And I'm using the E-Nail Couture Primer. I've been liking this primer. I used it a few times now. I like it a lot. And the bottle is adorable. I love their style. So which it showed you, but it briefly went through. I'm using the Beauty Base Gel and actually I didn't. I just showed it to you, but I really didn't use that base gel. I just used the top coat for the Beauty. So my little nail glue is there. I got my slip solution, and I am using the E-Nail Couture A Pink. I believe it is called. Right here it is. The A Pink in color 1. It is a 3-in-1 gel. I love it. It's a base coat as well as a help your weak nails, which mine are weak. But I did the mistake of putting them on before I put the nail tips on. So yeah, that was a problem. Trying to glue the nail tips onto that stuff was not fun. So I had some issues with that. But these nail tips are great. They're off of Amazon. I'll put the link down below. They were like super sturdy, super strong. I loved them. I shaped them into more of a coffin shape because I didn't want the super square. But boy, I had a time with these tips gluing onto that base coat. Do not recommend, but it was probably better off for my nails in the long run. They stayed on pretty well. I did only take them off after like a week because I wanted to do another video. So, that's how I roll. So, but I really like that E-Nail Couture 3-in-1 base gel, nail strengthener. I don't know what the third one is, but there's a beautiful color involved. It comes with a couple colors. It's nice. So I'm using my Kiss nail glue I got from the Dollar Tree because it's only $1. Why not? So I am just gluing them on, having a time, holding once I get it on, and then it just pops right off. But I ended up putting the base gel. Actually, I did use that Beauty base gel. I put the base gel over the whole thing to help keep the nails on longer. That's why I'm off camera, because I was not having fun with this. So sorry about that. You gotta look at my nice little table, my cute little slip solution thing, bottle, whatever it's called, Dap and Dish. Yes, that's what it is. It has a little lid, so it's nice. So I am just struggling, trying to get these tips on, having a fun old time. Yes, yes, I was. So that's it. Just making sure they stick. And then I put, as I said, I put that beauty base gel over the whole nail just to get it to stick. And I just kind of held it on there while I put it underneath the lamp. It worked. It worked really well. They didn't seem to lift. I had one break and that was it. So, and it was on my shortest nails because I always have problems with that nail because I'm trying to be nice to my nails now. So the set that I have on, which you'll see that video next week, it'll be on, they're my Christmas nails. So they'll be on till after Christmas. So that should help a lot. So I am just going through putting those nails on and having fun with that. The polygel will be starting pretty soon. I figured I'd let you see my struggles with the glue over base coat. Not fun at all. So I am just going to put some music on and I will talk to you in a bit. I am starting the polygel over, obviously, the nail tips pretty soon. So I will talk to you at the end of the video. Enjoy watching me play with glow-in-the-dark polygel. Yes. Okay, I am attempting to use Nail Couture's Crackle gel polish in red. And yeah, it didn't work because I did it wrong. It would probably help if I looked up instructions because I tried putting it under the lamp. You're not supposed to. It's supposed to air dry. So I have the instructions written down. So I will be using their Crackle gel polish in another video. I will try it out. I ended up taking the red polish off my fingers. You'll see when I show you some pictures of the glow in the dark action at the end of this video. I have 2 pictures of one of each hand, and the red's not on there because I took it off right after this video because it didn't crack. I was frustrated. But I love the shiny top coat from Nail Couture, if I can spit that out. The Nail Couture shiny top coat in the gold glitter. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, love it. So that's what I put on all my nails. So as you can see, I mean, it still looks pretty with the red underneath with the gold sparkle, but I took them off because I was frustrated. I don't know. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed doing glow in the dark polygel. It was awesome to see the glow in the dark. It really was. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Give me a nice like, subscribe to the video, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of all my uploads and my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. See, there is one hand, the green, and there is the blue polygel. Thank you so much. Toodaloo.